Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use X, Twitter, lists, quick fix step by step clearly. To start using Twitter lists, log into your Twitter account. Navigate to your profile by clicking on your avatar. Once on your profile page, look for the Lists tab. Click on the Lists tab to view your existing lists or create a new one. To create a new list, click the Create New List button. Give your list a name that reflects its purpose. Add a short description to clarify the focus of the list. Decide if your list will be public or private. Public lists can be seen by anyone, while private lists are only visible to you. After setting your preferences, click Save List. Now it's time to add accounts to your new list. To do this, go to a profile you want to include. Click on the three dots or the More option on their profile. Select Add or Remove from Lists from the drop-down. Choose the list you want to add them to. Repeat this process for all the accounts you wish to include. You can access your lists anytime from your profile. Simply click on the Lists tab to review and manage them. Use lists to organize accounts for better content discovery. You can check your lists by clicking on each one to see tweets from those accounts. Lists help you stay updated on specific topics without scrolling through your main feed. Enjoy your streamlined Twitter experience with customizable lists. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.